In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google section. Over here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again, this time to click on Autofill with Google. And tap on Google Password Manager. Now click on any password you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Then tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!